Hi, I'm Tyler with Evalence Renewables, and we provide high-quality, ethical solar installation for homes and businesses across Alberta. In today's video, we're going to dive into the basic components of your solar system. That way, you can understand exactly how it works. So, diving into the first component, the most obvious one, are the solar panels or solar modules. They are essentially a large rectangular piece of technology that converts the direct sunlight into energy that you can use in your home. Now, just in a bid to keep things simple, I'm not going to get into any of the technologies with the coatings, monofacial, bifacial, none of those buzzwords. I'm just going to talk about kind of the basics of what you can look for with your solar panel. Generally speaking, solar panels sold in Alberta typically have a 25 to 30 year performance warranty. That is standard. That's something you should look out for. Additionally, solar panels sold here also typically hail rated. So panels have to have a hail rating on them. That's an important part of withstanding your Alberta weather. And additionally, if you need more energy in your home, you have a larger home, you're going to need more solar panels. Now, solar panels are great. However, they produce energy in DC, direct current, and appliances in our home use AC, alternating current. So we need something to convert that power to AC, and that device is called an inverter. Now, there's different types of inverters. There's a traditional inverter. This would be a larger box. It would be in your house or on the side of your house, and it would convert the DC power from your panels into AC power. The other type of inverter, the one that we commonly install, is called a microinverter. It's the same thing. Micro, it's smaller, and it actually sits behind the panels on your roof. Now, both of them work the same. There's drawbacks and there's positives of using both technologies. Each type of inverter has its benefits, and at Evalence, we would help you choose a microinverter or a string inverter, whatever made the most sense for your setup and for your lifestyle. The big thing to think about with inverters is really just the warranty and the reliability. A reliable inverter is like the heartbeat of your solar system. You want to make sure that it has a lot of uptime, that it works really well, and that you can get parts for it if you do need them. Now, the third and final critical piece of equipment is the mounting hardware. This is the equipment that mounts your solar panels onto your roof in a safe and efficient way. So it's important to have a high quality mounting system because your panels are going to be on your roof for a very long time, and you want to ensure that it will hold them in a safe way that distributes the load across the entire roof. So a mounting system usually includes anchors for the feet that go beneath the rails that will go lengthwise across the roof. The panels sit flush on those rails, and then mounting hardware holds the panels to the rails so that wind or gravity can't knock them down. So quick recap of the three equipment pieces we talked about today. The solar panels take the energy from the sun and produce DC energy. The inverters take the DC energy and convert it into AC energy, which is used by your house. And the mounting equipment keeps everything tied in and secure. Found this useful? If you'd like more information, please check out our website, evalence.ca. For more personalized information, you can always reach out and we'd be happy to give you a quote or answer any of your questions about solar in Alberta. Thank you.